Today, we will discuss Windsurf and AID. Both methods heavily rely on the capabilities of huge language models. They both essentially represent a shift toward AI powered code generation, giving programmers additional ways to engage with and alter their code. Now, let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Windsurf is an AI-powered integrated development environment or IDE that uses cutting-edge AI support to increase developer productivity. It highlights a flow condition in which the developer and AI operate in perfect harmony. It is made by Codium, real-time contextual awareness, code generation and completion driven by AI. Aid. Code in your Git repository can be edited by AI using the Aider command line tool. AI is used to change code in response to your conversation commands. Code editing via chat, integration with Git, the ability to directly implement AI generated modifications into your program. All in all, these technologies aim to understand the context of the code, while Windsurf does this via its continuous IDE integration. AID achieves this via chat-based collaboration with Git repository knowledge. Both automate coding activities like arranging code, applying changes based on natural language instructions, and generating code samples.